It's a 2014 Honda CR-V. Check out this CR-V's fuel efficiency numbers, safety measures, and cargo capacity, and you'll be glad to drive it for the long haul. It comes with all the amenities you need. Inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, dual zone climate control, Bluetooth hands-free link, AM/FM XM satellite radio, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, 8-way driver's seat control, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Motor Trend explains the new CR-V is exactly what it needs to be. Another heart-of-market people mover that sells hundreds of thousands of copies to buyers who rank fuel economy and versatility above all else. For that, Honda's nailed it again. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. Hurry in today for a test drive.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.